Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English. All about computer.
Let's learn English. Today, we are going to learn some words that are related to computers.
We will give some examples, so you will understand each vocabulary.
Screen. It is a part of the computer that displays the information. Screen. Here's an example. I've been looking at the screen for a long time. I think I need a break.
That's fine, rest your eyes first.
Files. This is where the data is kept, inside the computer. Files. Here's an example.
Have you sent the files yesterday? I need to read them later.
Yes, madam. I already sent the files to your email.
Zipped folder. It contains compressed or multiple files. Zipped folder. Here's an example.
Can you extract the zipped folder for me? I'm having a hard time doing it.
Okay, hold on. I just have to send this message. Applications. It refers to the programs on the computer. Applications. Here's an example. Can I uninstall some unused applications here?
Of course. Just let me know the apps that you're going to delete.
Updating. It refers to when changing to a more advanced version of a program. Updating. Here's an example.
All computers are still updating. Do you want to grab some coffee first? Yeah. That would be great.
Spreadsheet. It refers to an Excel document. Spreadsheet. Here's an example.
I'm done with the spreadsheet. Would you like to check it now?
Sure. Just send it to me. Internet. It refers to a computer network, which allows users to connect all over the world. Internet. Here's an example. The new internet connection is kind of faster than the previous one.
I agree. I uploaded large files in just 3 minutes.
Crashed. It refers to when a computer has a very serious problem that makes it stop working. Crashed. Here's an example.
My computer crashed a while ago, so I need to start over again.
Oh, I wish I could help you, but I need to go now.
Virus. It refers to a bad program designed to damage a computer. Virus. Here's an example.
I already cleared the virus on this laptop.
That's good. Do you want to grab some lunch now?
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
I've been looking at the for a long time. I think I need a break.
Letter A. Screen.
Letter B. Applications.
Letter C. Updating.
The correct answer is letter A. Screen. I've been looking at the screen for a long time. I think I need a break.
Have you sent the yesterday? I need to read them later.
Letter A. Internet.
Letter B. Files.
Letter C. Spreadsheet.
The correct answer is letter B. Files. Have you sent the files yesterday? I need to read them later.
Can you extract the for me? I'm having a hard time doing it.
Letter A. Crashed.
Letter B. Screen.
Letter C. Zipped folder. The correct answer is letter C. Zipped folder. Can you extract the zipped folder for me? I'm having a hard time doing it. Can I uninstall some unused? Here?
Letter A. Applications.
Letter B. Screen.
Letter C. Virus.
The correct answer is letter A. Applications. Can I uninstall some unused applications here?
All computers are still. Do you want to grab some coffee first?
Letter A. Zipped folder.
Letter B. Updating.
Letter C. Internet.
The correct answer is letter B. Updating. All computers are still updating. Do you want to grab some coffee first?
I'm done with that. Would you like to check it now?
Letter A. Crashed.
Letter B. Files.
Letter C. Spreadsheet. The correct answer is letter C. Spreadsheet. I'm done with the spreadsheet. Would you like to check it now? The new connection is kinda faster than the previous one.
Letter A. Internet.
Letter B. Virus.
Letter C. Zipped folder.
The correct answer is letter A. Internet. The new internet connection is kind of faster than the previous one.
My computer. A while ago, so I need to start over again.
Letter A. Applications.
Letter B. Crashed.
Letter C. Updating.
The correct answer is letter B. Crashed. My computer crashed a while ago, so I need to start over again.
I already cleared the on this laptop.
Letter A. Spreadsheet.
Letter B. Files.
Letter C. Virus. The correct answer is letter C. Virus. I already cleared the virus on this laptop.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.